If you're looking for a custom home builder, today we'll introduce you to one with a unique process. Custom Touch Homes is up next. Hi, Jason.
Hi there.
We are in the heart of your manufacturing facility, but before we take a closer look around, tell us about Custom Touch Homes.
Custom Touch Homes is the premier off-site stick build company in the upper Midwest. We build a one-piece house in our controlled environment and transfer it to your foundation one piece.
We're right here inside the manufacturing facility. Give our viewers an idea of what's going on around us.
Well, we're inside our 100,000 square foot facility. As you can hear, our workers are pounding away in the background, working on 23 to 25 houses at one time. With that, we'll be able to produce, or will produce, 200 to 220 homes this year.
What are some of the advantages of working in an indoor facility like this one?
The biggest one is everything's kept out of the weather, building in a controlled environment like this. The other one is we tell you when your house is going to be done, and we hit that time because we don't have any weather delays. Our employees are here in a controlled environment. They're not driving back and forth to the lumber yard and everything. That way we can keep better control of the quality of the product that we're putting out the door.
Now, if somebody's ready to get started with their home, what is the process that they would go through?
Well, the whole process would be you would come in, talk to one of our salespeople with a plan or an idea. They would sit down with you, go through that, get it to our draftsman. Our draftsman would draw it up. Yep, we'd get it priced out to you. That price looks good. We'd have you come in, pick all the colors out and everything. At that point, we'd get it to our purchasing department, who would start ordering the materials. And once the materials started arriving, we'd start by building a subfloor. Then from there, after the subfloor is built and sheeted, we would stand the walls up on it, and then stand the roof trusses up on it, and then do the plumbing and electrical. After that, we would have our spray foam guy come in and spray foam all the exterior walls, which will help us get Energy Star qualified. After he's foamed the walls, we'll have drywallers come in and hang the drywall, take texture and paint. After it's painted, we'll put the windows in, side it, trim it, and push it out the door, and onto the moving truck it goes, delivered to your job site in one piece.
Once the home is completed, tell me about the transportation process to the site.
We have multiple transport companies that we use that will move the house. We'll roll it out our end door. They'll load it up on their moving truck and haul it to your site. No matter the distance that they're going, we transport houses all over in the upper Midwest.
And one interesting thing that people might not expect is that the homes are transported in one piece. They're not cut in half like you sometimes see going down the road.
Nope, they're one piece. I mean, we can go 36 foot wide if need be, and down the road they go with it.
Now, you talked about Energy Star qualified. What are some of the things that go into that, and what are the advantages for the homeowner?
The advantage for the homeowner is your utility bills are going to be slashed immensely. You know, some of the things that go into it, we have to spray foam all the exterior walls. The windows have to be an Energy Star qualified window. Anytime that we penetrate through a stud cavity, we got to foam that. Once the lights, the sheetrock's hung, the lights and stuff all have to be caulked around just to get the house sealed up that tight to get that Energy Star qualification.
So this home that we're standing in, you can see we have some floors and walls, but there are a lot of things to be completed. How do you help your homeowners make those decisions about finishes and materials?
At our office, we have a complete showroom that has all the samples for you to go through with your salesperson and pick stuff out. We have a visitor center located on the east edge of Madison that you have houses that you can walk through that show different styles and different ideas. And then our salespeople will walk you through the process and be able to take your plans from paper to reality.
Let's take a look at some of your finished homes.
Sounds good.
Custom Touch homes are exactly that, custom to each homeowner. You'll find no cookie cutter designs, and your finished home will be just what you had in mind. But the advantages of a Custom Touch home don't end there. With each home built inside, this protects the building materials. Plus, with Mother Nature out of the way, you're guaranteed a quicker build time, putting you in your new home in less time. Of course, I'm sure you'd like lower energy bills, and that's one more benefit you'll receive, as every Custom Touch home is Energy Star quality, offering extra comfort while saving you money. That's amazing to take a look at that finished home and think that it starts out like this, ends up so beautiful.
Yeah, it's quite the process.
Along with the residential building projects, you also do some commercial work. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we do multifamily twin homes. We've done eye care clinics. We've done some medical clinics. We've just completed, or we did a 4-story dorm room project up in North Dakota.
Jason, what should people remember about Custom Touch Homes?
That Custom Touch Homes is the finest off-site stick-built facility in the upper Midwest, delivering one-piece houses to your foundation and making your dreams a reality.
Excellent. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
For more information about Custom Touch Homes, check out their model homes in Madison or log on to customtouchhomes.com.